This recipe starts with melting down real chocolate, more than most cookie recipes use. And this is the secret to that fudgy brownie center. This is where the magic for that crackly top begins. We whisk until the eggs and the sugar turn pale and thick. Bakers call this the ribbon stage. It's the aeration that gives the cookies their glossy, shattering crust. Then we'll bring in that melted chocolate. This is what makes the flavor so intense. We are using Dutch cocoa for a deeper, more intense chocolate flavor. Just a touch of baking powder keeps them chewy and not cakey. This mix builds the structure and the rich flavor we want. We fold the dry mix in gently so we don't lose the air we just built. It's gonna look streaky at first, but keep folding. It will turn rich and chocolatey. Then we chill the dough so the cookies stay thick and fudgy instead of spreading flat. We scoop the chilled dough so the cookies bake up thick and chewy. They're gonna puff up in the oven, but then settle into that crackly brownie-like top. Crispy edges, fudgy centers, everything you want in a brownie cookie. We call this the brownie cookie love child. What's your dream cookie mashup?